Welcome to the Muppet Tsum Plush show. Welcome to my brains. Gonzo, I love you so much that you're gonna have to explode your cake. Folks. What the heck is going on with Fozzie Bay? With Fozzie's face? You're going to explode your keeps when you have to get your freed. Frosty the Snowman. This is Ruff the Dog's cheese. This is my poetry corner. Go home. Why'd you say that word? Wait, in the freed. Am I upside down? This is explosive. You get your wheeze cake. The wheeze will poke. You'll get your freak into your coke. Gonzo's nose is You have to wheeze at your freaks when you get your freaks. It's get your folks. And what the heck is going on with Ruff's face? Cheese. Do not sneeze on Cook. Frosty the Snowman was a Charlie. Do not sing the song. It is cringe. It looks like I'll have to rely on my secret weapon. Bulls.